What's up guys, Dave Fixing for Fun. Today we've got a fun little project. So if you look, I have trailers, plows, equipment, all sorts of stuff. And my wife doesn't like seeing it from the house. So I found a good spot to hide it. So I have a little parking lot I started. Every time I get some dirt, I throw it in there and I can get some stuff in, but not too much. So I got a phone call from my friend that works at the local town, and he said, hey, I got a bunch of fill if you want it. So I've got some fill today. So we're gonna hop on the old bulldozer, we're gonna push it around and level it out. Well guys, the old John Deere did a pretty good job. We roughed it out. I got to go through with the excavator and pick out all the real garbage and bury the big stuff, but it's a good start. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.